Hello and welcome. This is the Simply Finance Quiz, an exclusive inter-college nationwide quiz competition on finance. Brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund, this quiz endeavors to create greater awareness among our youth in matters related to savings and investments, and to encourage them to develop healthy wealth creation habits from an early age. We are now in week 7. Over the past weeks, we have traveled across the country, meeting with some of the brightest young minds. Till now, we have 6 city winners: IMT Ghaziabad, SRC OEM Nagpur, BMS Institute of Technology Bengaluru, Government Engineering College Coimbatore, Etharaj College for Women Chennai, and NIT Rourkela. Today, we are looking for our 7th semi-finalist. We are here in the capital city of the ancient Kalinga Empire, the city of temples, the capital of Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Earlier today, we had a keenly contested written preliminary round comprising 25 questions. We had 117 teams competing from all across Odisha. From there, the top 4 teams have qualified for the Bhubaneswar city final today. So without further ado, let us meet the teams. At table 1, we have the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, represented by Rashmi Ranjan Swain and Abhijit Fernandez. At table 2, we have the Institute of Management and Information Science, represented by Arvind Singh and Shushant Kumar. On my left, at table 3, we have Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, represented by Omkar Amrutanshu and Abhinav Dhar. And at table 4, we have the Silicon Institute of Technology, represented by Jyoti Prakash Panda and Soumya Kiran Mohanty. So these are our top 4 teams. We are in the city of Bhubaneswar. Are we ready to start? Let's move straight into our first round. This round is called Simply KYC. This is a picture round. Passing round, 10 for a direct, 10 for a pass. All you need to do is identify what I show you, okay? We start with my right. We start with CVSAH. Here is yours. All you need to do is identify this lady.
Hillary Clinton.
Hillary Clinton. No, not Hillary Clinton. IMIS. No, I need to pass as I pass to KIIT.
Christine Lagarde.
Christine Lagarde, and who's that?
Chief of IMF.
Chief of IMF. Absolutely right, KIIT. Picking up the first 10 points. And may I remind you, KIIT were the highest scorers in the preliminary round with 22 on 25. So can they live up to that preliminary round? As we move on to question number 2. Identify the book.
Is it down the line?
Down the line. KIIT, are you getting another 10?
Yeah, we can work out on the clues. I mean, this is...
You can work out on the clues. That's why the clues are there.
Okay, this is Mohammed Yunus. He got a Nobel Prize for microfinancing.
No. All that story, give me later. I just want the name of the book.
Microfinance.
Microfinance
In Bangladesh.
In Bangladesh.
Microfinance in Bangladesh. No, I thought you had it there. Guys from Silicon.
Empowering the villages.
Empowering the villages. Wow, interesting name for a book. But no, not the right answer. CVSAH.
Microfinance for Gramin.
Sorry?
Microfinance for village.
Microfinance for village. No. None of the teams answering it. Banker to the Poor, Mohammed Yunus's book. Sorry. As we move on to KIIT, this is your direct. Identify the logo.
Swiss Bank.
Swiss Bank, UBS. Absolutely right. Well done. Plus 10. Okay, you have already quickly moved on to 20 in this round. As we come to the last one, going to the guys from Silicon. Who's he?
Gautam Adani.
Gautam Adani?
Yeah.
KIIT is clapping for you. The audience is clapping for you. You're absolutely right. Gautam Adani it is. At the end of round 1, the scores. On my right, the 2 teams, CVSAH and IMIS, yet to open their scores. But KIIT is on 20 and SIT is on 10. Moving on to round number 2. This is the Simply SIP round. This is a general round. 10 for a direct, 10 for a pass, 8 questions. Like the last round, CVSH, I start with you. Here is your question. The name of which basic monetary unit of certain countries of the Middle East and North Africa comes from an ancient Roman silver coin originally worth 10 asses?
Pass.
Not trying. IMIS. Are you going for it? KIIT.
This is a Rial. Rial.
The Rial. No, not the Rial.
Is it Lira?
Is it Lira?
Lira.
That's a question again. And answer is it is Lira.
Yeah.
So are you going with it is Lira?
Yeah.
No, but unfortunately, not the right answer. It's simply the dinar. The dinar from denarius. As we come to the next question in this round. This is for IMIS. What is the name of Jeffrey Archer's first novel where 4 victims of a stock swindle meet and plot to get their money back from the crooked financier responsible?
How to influence people?
How to Influence People. I don't think Jeffrey Archer wrote any novel by that name. Did he write a novel by?
It is not a penny more, not a penny less.
Not a penny more, not a penny less. Absolutely right. KIIT, moving on to 30. KIIT, as we come to your direct. In economics, which popular French term means abstention by governments from interfering in the workings of the free market?
It's a laissez-faire.
Laissez-faire?
Laissez-faire.
Laissez-faire, absolutely right. Okay. KIIT 40. Guys from Silicon, they aren't letting any questions pass to you. Here is your direct. In the late 19th century, Lala Lajpat Rai was the first to open an account in which bank?
Punjab National Bank.
Finally, a question comes to you. And you're absolutely right. Punjab National Bank it is. Plus 10. We now move. Silicon, your question. A mutual fund that tends to perform reasonably well during both favorable and unfavorable economic and market conditions is called an all-blank fund.
All-weather fund.
All-weather fund. KIIT, you seem to be my fellow quiz masters of the day. Are they right?
Yes, I guess.
They are right? You're absolutely right. Plus 10 to you. That's 20 on the trot. KIIT is on 40, but you have your direct question coming up. Which Chinese city, famously known for its casinos, brings in more money every 2 months than Las Vegas makes in an entire year?
Is it Macau?
Is it Macau? Now that's a question
That's
again.
Macau.
It is Macau. You're confident. Plus 10. You move on to 50. KIIT seems to know everything today. We move on to IMIS. Under which government scheme was a record 1.5 crore bank accounts opened on its inaugural day?
Jan Dhan Yojana.
Jan Dhan Yojana.
By
Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan
Jan Dhan Yojana.
Yojana. Absolutely right. Well done. Plus 10. As we come to CBSAH, you too need to open your score. I hope you answer this one. A foreign bond issued in Spain by a company that is not domiciled in Spain is called a blank bond.
Matador bond.
You're sure about it? You're absolutely sure. Absolutely right. Plus 10. So you two open your score. Well done. All teams have now opened their scores. Things are hotting up here in Bhubaneswar. Before we go into a break, here are the scores. CBSAH and IMIS, with those last 2 questions in the last round, have opened their scores, both on 10 apiece. SIT is on 30, but early leaders, KIIT with 50. Moving into our third round. This round is called Simply NAV. This is a multiple choice round. Teams, each of you, I give you 3 options. If you get it right on the first, you get plus 10. Right on the second, you get plus 5. Right on the third, you only get a smile from me. CBSAH, we start with you. Your 3 options are import, tax, mortgage. Your question. In France, it is import. In England, it is
Mortgage.
Are you sure? Let's have a look. If it turns green, you're correct. No. Mortgage, not the right answer. Going for a +5.
Then it tax.
You're going with tax?
Yeah.
Sure? Import was just there to confuse you. Tax is absolutely right. +5, you move on to 15. As we move into the second question, this is for IMIS. 50,000, 75,000, 1 lakh. Right? Your question. Mutual funds can receive cash of up to blank from investors. Liquid cash of up to how much?
50,000.
Sure?
Yeah, sure.
Let's have a look. You're absolutely right. +10. Okay. As we move to KIIT, your 3 options. Ricardo Good, Veblen Good, Giffen Good. What is the term for a good whose demand increases as the price increases because of its exclusive nature and appeal as a status symbol?
This is the Veblen good.
You're positive?
Veblen good.
Is there anything you guys don't know? Because you're absolutely right, 60. As we move on to SIT. SIT, rice, tea, potatoes. Roman soldiers were paid their salary partly in salt. What were the Japanese samurai paid partly in?
Rice.
Not tea?
We'll go with rice.
Let's have a look then. +10, yeah! That's it. Well done, SIP. You've got your direct 10 over there. Now is your next question. Your 3 options are service tax, VAT, excise duty. Which of these is charged at the rate of 12.36% in India?
VAT.
VAT, you
Value
say?
added tax.
Value added tax. Let's have a look. No, not the correct option.
We'll go with service tax.
You're going with service tax. You're absolutely right. Service tax gets you +5. As we move to KIIT, Gulliver, Robinson Crusoe, Sinbad. The column on business travel in The Economist is named after which of these literary characters?
This is Robinson Crusoe.
Robinson Crusoe, you're confident?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. No, finally, one question which catches you, KIIT, but you can still score a +5.
Sinbad.
You're going with Sinbad. Let's have a look. Sorry about that, KIIT. Do you know the answer now? You still don't know the answer. Okay, I'm pulling your leg. You seem to be pulling my leg. But the correct answer is Gulliver. As we move on to IMIS, your 3 options are credit card, traveler's check, currency notes. The first mention of which of these is popularly believed to have appeared in Edward Bellamy's novel Looking Backward, 2000 to 1887.
Is it traveler's check?
Traveler's checks, you say? Let's have a look. No. You're now going for a +5.
Credit card?
Let's have a look. This time you're right. +5, credit card it is. +5 to you as we move on to the last question. Your 3 options are FICCI, RBI, CII. Which organization traces its history to 1895 when 5 engineering firms, all members of the Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industry, joined hands to form the Engineering and Iron Trades Association?
We are going with FICCI.
You're going with FICCI. Let's have a look. No, unfortunately, FICCI was not the right way.
Then CIA.
Then CII. Obviously, if it wasn't FICCI, CII was your next option. CII gets you +5. Well done. With that, we've come to the end of the Simply NAV round. We are going to go into our next round, which is the buzzer round. But before that, we'll have a look at the scores. CVSAH is on 20. IMIS is on 25. SIT is on 45. KIIT on 60. Welcome back. You are watching the Simply Finance quiz brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund. This is the Simply Trigger round. This is the final round. This is the buzzer round. Are we ready? Question number 1. With total earnings of $30 million US and endorsements worth 26 million US dollars. Who is India's highest paid sportsperson? Gone for it, KIIT. Your answer.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni is absolutely right. Well done. We move into question number 2. Which company launched PayWave, where customers simply wave their card in front? Gone for it, SIT. Your answer.
Apple Pay.
Apple Pay was a question in the preliminary round today. We will not repeat any questions. Minus 10 SIT. I'm sorry about that, but I'll repeat the full question. Which company launched PayWave, where customers simply wave their card in front of a secure reader to make payments? The answer is, anyone wants to go for it now?
Visa.
Visa.
Visa. Visa is the correct answer. Sorry, KIT, I can't give you points for that. As we move into question number 3. According to Forbes, which website is the most advantageous social networking tool available to job seekers and business professionals today?
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn, you say? LinkedIn is right. Plus 10 to you. Question number 4. In India, the Bank of Hindustan, the first joint stock bank established in 1770, was the first to issue what? No one going for it. Cancelling the question, the answer is, was the first to issue
Sure.
checks. Question number 5. What does the I in MICR stand for? Gone for it, CVSAH.
Ink.
You got that right. Plus 10. CVSAH, plus 10 to you. With that, we've come to the end of the first 5 questions in the buzzer round. Let's have a look at the score. IMIS on 25. There's a slight change for second and third position because SIT is on 35. CVSAH has gone up to 40, but still leaders with 30 points ahead. KIIT on 70. Last 5 questions. Question number 6. If the euro is an example of shared currency in Europe, then countries of which continent use the share currency CFA franc? Which continent?
Africa.
Africa, CFA franc? You're absolutely right. Plus 10. As we move on to question number 7. Which country has the most representation among the top 10 of the Fortune 500 companies? Gone for it, IMIS.
USA.
USA, you say. USA gets you minus 10. The correct answer being China. China is the correct answer. Sorry about that. Minus 10 to you as we move into question number 8. In 1992, which country replaced its paper banknotes with polymer bills? Gone for it, SIT.
Australia.
You're sure about it?
Yeah, sure.
I was going to give you 2 options, Australia and UK.
Australia.
You say Australia 1992 because UK is going to do it in another couple of years. You're absolutely right, plus 10. Question number 9. Between 2003 and 2006, which Indian was the chief economist and director?
Raghuram Rajan.
I don't know why you went for the buzzer. The complete question, between 2003 and 2006, which Indian was the chief economist and director of research at the International Monetary Fund? You said Raghuram Rajan. You're absolutely right. Well done. 1 question to go. In 2014, the Indian mutual fund industry roped in which global consulting giant to help them prepare for the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act? And I'm giving you 2 options. The 2 options being Deloitte, KPMG.
Deloitte.
You say Deloitte. My card says KPMG. Okay, sorry about that. But it didn't really make a difference to the scores. With that, we've come to the end of the city final here in Bhubaneswar. Here is a confirmation of the scores. IMIS on 15, CVSH on 40, SIT on 45. But winners Right from the beginning, they were leading KIIT on 80. May I now invite Mr. Shaurav Mukherjee, Assistant Manager Retail Sales, Tata Asset Management Limited. Sir, if you could come up on stage, please, to give out the certificates to our teams. In third position, we have College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, OUAT, represented by Rashmi Ranjan Swine and Abhijit Fernandez. In second position, we have the Silicon Institute of Technology, represented by Jyoti Prakash Panda and Soumya Kiran Mohanty. And the winners, Bhubaneswar, put your hands together for Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, represented by Omkar Amrutanshu and Abhinav Dhar. You receive your certificates. Okay. Friends, may I take this opportunity to thank Tata Mutual Fund for conceiving this unique and wonderful quiz.